a world where we explore everything science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. If you're watching this, you're an official member of our Technovators Club of cool STEAM kids. You're watching Sema's Lab. Today, check out how to do this.
One of the best holidays is coming up. Do you know which one I'm talking about? Halloween. I still have to prepare so many decorations, but most importantly, I haven't yet decided what costume to wear. But this year, I'm gonna be doing things differently. Do you know what's cooler than getting your Halloween costume? It's making your own costume. That's right, we Technovators love doing things ourselves. Today, I'm gonna show you 3 super costumes that you can make at home. My first one is gonna be a superhero costume. Nothing beats a superhero cape. It's powerful, it's fun, and it's super easy to make. For this craft, you'll need t-shirt, elastic, glue gun, 2 different colors of felt, a marker, a tissue roll, and scissors. Ready? Let's Technovate! First, we're going to cut out a cape shape from our t-shirt. Now, draw a diagonal line from the collar going down. And now we're going to pick our scissors and cut through where you drew the line. Now our superhero cape is done. Now it's time to decorate your superhero costume with an awesome logo. You can make up your own logo or use an existing one. I'm gonna make Super Sema's power logo because I really love her costume. Using a black marker, we're gonna trace out something that looks like this. There we go. Now we're gonna cut it out using our scissors. There we have it. Our logo is almost done. Now we're going to cut out a few more shapes for the inside of our power logo. Next, we're going to make our superhero arm cuff. First, we're going to start by getting our tissue roll, cut it into half like I did, then decorate it as you please to match your superhero cape. Here's mine, and I made it look like Super Sema's Ubanini. Now I'm done cutting out my mask, and I also made 2 holes for fitting in my elastic. Now it's time to put on your costume. Now I'm ready to save the world. Watch out, here comes Super Natasha! Wow, that was fun. Let's make another costume. How about a scary Halloween bat costume? Do you know that bats are actually very cool? Because they can fly in pitch darkness and look for food using their advanced hearing skills. Do you remember when Super Sema and MB created a bat chute to escape Tobor? Sema used biomimicry. Biomimicry is when you use nature to inspire a solution to a real-world problem. For example, some scientists and engineers are creating drones that can fly in pitch dark and avoid obstacles by using sound, just like bats do. For this craft, you'll need a black hoodie, elastic string, chalk, a pair of scissors, a marker, a glue gun, and black fabric. First, let's start by making our bat wings. We're going to get our black piece of fabric, fold it in half, then using our tailor's chalk, draw wavy lines from one side to the other. Now we are going to cut it out. Now it's time to glue our wings onto our hoodie. Now it's time to make our mask. Take a piece of black fabric and cut the shape of the mask. Now I'm going to make holes at both ends. Now our mask is ready and I'm going to keep it aside as we work on our bat ears. Get an old hairband and fabric, black fabric that I can use to cut a triangle to make the ears. There we go, our bat ears are ready. Time to put our costume on. Now I'm ready to fly into the darkness. Hey, turn the lights back on. I can't see anything.
Hey Natasha.
Hi Samantha.
Your costume looks so cool.
Yes, isn't it great to be wearing a costume you made yourself?
So cool. I want to make my own costume too.
What do you want to be?
I love dinosaurs. I would want to make a dinosaur costume.
Great! Let's get started.
Let's go.
For this craft you'll need a t-shirt, yellow felt, green felt, white felt, black felt, a pair of scissors, marker pen, glue gun, and a cap. Take the white paper and mark it in a zigzag pattern. Now, cut it out. Then, take your glue gun and stick it on the cap. Let's make the eyes. Cut out the eye shapes from the white and black felt. Now, let's stick the eyes onto the cap. There you have it, your dino head. Let's move to the body of the dinosaur. Take the yellow triangles and stick them to the back of the t-shirt, alternating the big ones and small ones. And you have your dinosaur costume.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.